In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync a credit card in QuickBooks Online. This process is straightforward and takes about 5 minutes, ensuring your financial records stay accurate and up to date. To get started, you'll first need to sign into QuickBooks Online. If you haven't done so already, locate the Sign In button on the QuickBooks Online website's main page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials, so have your QuickBooks email and password handy. Once you've clicked to sign in, the next step is to choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. This ensures you're working within the correct version of QuickBooks, as there are multiple products offered by the brand. If you've already set up your account with the correct options, this should be as simple as clicking through the choices presented to you. After selecting QuickBooks Online, input your credentials, which typically include your email and password. As you do this, take care to ensure everything is inputted correctly to avoid any unnecessary delays. Once your details are in, hit continue, and you should be directed to your QuickBooks dashboard. This dashboard is where you'll see an overview of your accounts and transactions. Next, we move on to syncing your credit card by going to the bank transactions section. You can find this by clicking on the banking tab, often located at the top of the screen. This section is crucial because it's where your bank and credit card transactions are imported and displayed. It's also where the real magic happens once we initiate the sync process. Now that you're in the bank transactions section, look for the update button. It's typically on the right side, clearly marked for easy navigation. Click on it to start the syncing process. The update function will begin to pull all recent transactions from your credit card provider into QuickBooks. This step is essential as it keeps your financial records current and reflective of your actual spending activity. Once you've clicked update, there's a brief waiting period while QuickBooks connects with your bank. During this time, make sure not to exit the page or close your browser. Just sit tight as QuickBooks does the heavy lifting of keeping your financial data synchronized. And there you have it, your credit card should now be synced with QuickBooks Online. Ensuring that these updates are completed regularly will contribute greatly to maintaining accurate financial records in your business. Keeping everything in sync not only helps in bookkeeping, but also saves you time from manual entries and checking backlogs. This ongoing upkeep provides you with precise financial insights, aiding you in making informed business decisions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful QuickBooks tips and tutorials.